If you've ever dreamed about owning a motorcycle but thought you knew the limit of how expensive a bike could actually get, today I'm about to blow your mind. Because honestly, I had no idea that motorcycles could cost as much as a luxury house. But here we are in 2026, and the motorcycle game has completely changed. The rich are getting richer, and they're pouring their wealth into some absolutely insane two-wheeled machines that most of us will never even see in person, let alone ride. But that's exactly why we're here today, because I'm about to show you the 5 most expensive motorcycles you can actually buy right now in the United States. And trust me, these aren't just bikes, they're rolling works of art that cost more than most people's homes. So stick around, because you're going to discover machines that combine engineering excellence, exclusive craftsmanship, and jaw-dropping price tags that will literally make your jaw drop. And who knows, maybe after watching this, you'll finally understand why some collectors are willing to spend the equivalent of a mansion on 2 wheels. Let's start with number 5, and honestly, this one already sits at a price point that's absolutely crazy. We're talking about the Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini, and this is where luxury Italian engineering meets even more luxury Italian engineering. Picture this, Ducati and Lamborghini decided to collaborate, and the result is a limited edition naked bike that's inspired by the Lamborghini Huracan STO. This isn't just a bike with a fancy paint job. We're talking custom bodywork, forged wheels, and a 1,103cc Desmo Sedici engine that punks out over 200 horsepower. The price? $68,000. Yeah, you read that right. 68 grand for a motorcycle that looks like it rolled straight out of a superhero movie. Only a handful of these were released to the US market in 2026, and the waiting list is absolutely insane. Every single detail on this bike screams exclusivity and performance, from the aggressive design to the race-inspired technology packed underneath that stunning bodywork. Moving to number 4, and now we're entering the world of extreme engineering and raw power. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a motorcycle for the faint of heart. This is a track-only machine that's powered by a supercharged inline-4, and it produces a ridiculous 310 horsepower. Let me put that in perspective for you. That's more power than some sports cars. The H2R is basically a missile on 2 wheels, designed purely for speed and adrenaline-fueled performance. The price sits around $60,000, but here's the thing. You can't legally ride this on public roads, which means if you own one, you better have a racetrack nearby, because that's the only place this beast belongs. It's the kind of motorcycle that separates the serious collectors from everyone else, because you're not just buying a means of transportation, you're buying bragging rights and raw engineering excellence. Number 3 takes us into the world of cutting-edge electric technology. And I've got to tell you, the future of luxury motorcycles is electric. We're talking about the Verge TS Ultra, and this Finnish-built masterpiece is going to make your head spin. This motorcycle features a revolutionary hubless rear motor that delivers 885 pound-feet of direct wheel torque. Translation, this thing will accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds, which is faster than most hypercars. The range is over 370 miles on a single charge, and it's powered by next-generation solid-state battery technology. The Verge TS Ultra will run you around $90,000. And yes, it's an electric motorcycle, but it's not the kind you compromise on. This is the future meeting the present, and it's a stunning example of what happens when performance and sustainability collide head-on. Number 2 is where things get absolutely insane, and we're stepping fully into the electric superweapon category. The Cosmic Motors Detonator is a $150,000 science fiction concept that's somehow become a reality. Designed by Hollywood visionary Daniel Simon, this machine looks like it was pulled straight out of a cyberpunk movie. It's strictly limited to just 10 hand-built units worldwide, which means if you own one, you're in an incredibly exclusive club. This isn't just about raw speed or practicality. This is about owning a rolling piece of functional art that represents the absolute pinnacle of what's currently possible in motorcycle design and technology. The visually striking appearance alone makes it one of the most visually striking motorcycles in the entire world, and the engineering underneath is equally impressive. And finally, we arrive at number 1, and this is where we cross into territory that most of us can only dream about. The ARC 1S, co co-created by actor Keanu Reeves and legendary designer Gard Hollinger, sits at an eye-watering $128,000. But here's what makes this bike special. It's not just expensive because of a brand name or marketing. This is a completely bespoke, handcrafted machine built specifically for you. Every single component, every curve, every detail is customized to your exact specifications. We're talking billet aluminum, carbon fiber, titanium, and an ARC-designed S&S Cycle engine that produces massive torque. The ARC 1S features the company's first ever in-house designed single-sided swing arm, and it combines the comfort of a cruiser with the performance handling of a sport bike. When you order one of these, you're not just buying a motorcycle, you're commissioning a work of art that's going to take months to build and will be completely unique to you. This is the cream of the crop, the ultimate expression of custom motorcycle engineering, and it represents everything that American performance craftsmanship can achieve. So there you have it, folks, the 5 most expensive motorcycles currently available in the United States in 2026. From the Ducati Lamborghini collaboration at $68,000 all the way up to the Bespoke ARC 1S at $128,000, these machines represent the absolute pinnacle of motorcycle engineering, design, and exclusivity. But here's the question I want to leave you with, and I want to hear your answer in the comments below. If you had the money to buy any one of these 5 motorcycles, which one would you choose?